Hello, in this video I will show you how to find profitable Solana wallets. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is firstly go to a website called Dune, as you can see right over here. You can see the link at the very top, dune.com. Now just go to the apps over here and then just simply search for Trojan. Then just simply open this bot right over here. After that, what you have to do is just simply scroll down till the very bottom to find the leaderboards. Over here you will be able to see the most amount of things. Now the first thing that you have to do, you have to sort the entire list. So just simply click on the sell volume over here to sort everything. Click again, and now everything is now sorted. Over here, what you have to look for is the buy volume and the sell volume. So if you look closely, you will see that, for example, let's say this particular guy over here, you will see the buy volume is 6,310. But the sell volume is 7,713. That means you have made a decent amount of profit. Now you have to look through all the ranks over here to find the best person who have been doing good for a while. So as you can see, there are multiple rows. So let's say, for example, you can go to a row like 4,000 perhaps. Just simply type that and you should be able to see that particular row. Now over here, you can see a dramatic change. As you can see, for example, over here, this is the amount of money he spent. And this is the amount of money he gained, which means he actually got a little bit of loss. Same goes for this guy and this guy as well. Now you have to just simply look for the best person who have made good amount of profit with small amount of purchase. And you have to look through all the data over here and find someone. So after finding someone, you will find a decent guy as someone like him right over here. As you can see, the buy volume is 10,900, but the sell volume is 59,000. That means he have made a decent amount of profit. Trades he put for only 51, and the active days is also 17. So as you can see, he's quite frequent and has made a decent amount of profit. Now, if you look closely, the first trade was around 24.42. As you can see right over here, and the last trade was about 24.620, as you can see right over here. Now, once you find someone like this, just simply copy the link over here. Now you can find even better if you look for more longer, but I'm gonna just simply pick this guy over here. Then just simply go to any one of the checker bot and Telegram. You can find the links in the description, obviously. Now over here, just simply click on check, then enter the code right over here. So once you enter the code, it will give you something like this. Now, currently the server are pretty busy, as you can see right over here, but once the server is available, it will give you a very comprehensive data of what exactly is going on with this particular wallet, and you should track it or not. If you look happy with the data and with the ROI, with the profits and the win rate, you should try to track the particular ID and do trade copying with it. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.